Longvon Technology Shenzhen Company Limited is located in Shenzhen, China. The national high-tech enterprise and national science and technology small and medium-sized enterprise, the professional supplier and manufacturer of one-stop solution smart wearable device. It has always been committed to the low-power Bluetooth IoT solution and has a complete R&D, procurement, supply, and production system. The company's main businesses include smart wearable devices, smart health medical products, smart home, smart factory, indoor positioning, and other smart health industries. At present, the company's sales network has covered many countries and regions around the world and strives to provide customers in various industries around the world with the most professional OEM/ODM services. The company's main products include smartwatches, fitness trackers, ECG watches, beacon NFC bands, baby monitoring, kids watch, kids activity tracker, senior care products, CE and ROSE passed. We focus on developing mobility smart technology, multifunctional smart technology, and humanized design for users, conform to the global market, and to meet the depth customized service for all users. All samples are available. The customized service includes logo printing, packaging customization, device ID MD design, hardware/software developing, tooling, APP developing, API SDK offering, fully technical support, or anything according to customers' requirements. Professional, cooperation, innovation, service are the spirit of Longvon. We strive to provide customers with the most valuable products. Our vision is to let the smart devices serve human beings better.